Hi traders, welcome back to our weekly outlook. We're going to share with you what to look for next week on 1st of June up until 5 June on Friday 2020. Hope you did trade well. Even though you didn't trade well, don't beat yourself up, okay guys? So we're going to share with you some currency pairs that we're going to share with you, and hope you're going to trade well the coming week, okay? Remember, always be patient with the market. Don't be scared of the chart. Look at your patterns and your system that you are using, okay? We'll go straight to our weekly outlook, what to look for. We'll start with gold. On gold, what we are looking for a correction that we were anticipating last week, okay? On our weekly outlook, we were saying look for a down move that should happen from here, okay? Then look for watch for our flow so that you can buy again, okay? This buy will come and you should be alert every time when you trade gold, okay? So what to look for when you are going to trade gold? You must watch. Now, if you didn't get buy from our floor or in this pattern on lower time frame, then now wait for the pair to touch 17,400.06, okay? For you to watch for a bigger correction here, then take a trade, okay? If you're going to look for sales for next week, you're going to look for something like this. So one more low, then we'll be looking to buy again, okay? So for next week, what to look for? Move to a lower time frame, 1 hour, okay? On this 1 hour, if you didn't get buy, it's okay, but we don't know why you didn't get this buy from this break of this candle, okay? But we got another retest, then we took buy. There's another pattern here for you to get another chance. If you didn't get this chance, don't chase this price action. Wait for another. Let me show you. Wait for another chance, guys, okay? Wait for another chance for you. This is your guidance, okay? The market will give you something like this. It will correct again here. Then watch this 17,400.06 for your breakout. If you find this breakout, then we might correct with a bigger correction here so that you can take a big buy, okay? But for now, you'll be waiting for a correction. Take this buy, then watch it. You can find a deeper correction from this price action, okay? So you'll be waiting. If you want to sell, you'll wait for a aggressive, then a correction, then to sell, to come and take this low, then watch for space to make a new low, okay? Then from the new low, you're going to buy again, okay guys? So on gold next week, for now it has gone far. You shouldn't chase this kind of candles, okay? You'll wait for it to go slowly and watch this price action, this price, okay? For you to have that decision whether we are moving down or we are getting that correction for us to take a trade up, okay? Hope you're going to trade well on gold, guys, for next week. Our next currency pair will be silver. Okay, we'll go to a 4-hour chart. On silver, what we are looking for, guys, we're looking for a down move here, a corrective structure for us to take a buy. So we didn't get that corrective structure going down. So now you wait for the market to come and take 18.100, okay? For you to go for another bigger correction, to come and take this roof of ours, okay? So if we're going to have this kind of price, we're going to have this kind of pattern, okay? We'll be waiting for this kind of pattern, guys. Remember to subscribe to our channel and join our family, okay? Subscribe channel button, it's here, so that you can get notification every time that we post videos, okay? So you were waiting for this kind of pattern here. Even now, we're going to wait for it here, guys, okay? For this to give us a expanding flag, okay? Then we'll take one more up move here. If you're going to take this up move, you'll watch for this for a take profit, okay? For now, wait for a slowly move here to test our monthly RS, then look to sell a short term, then go, okay? You see what happened here? It gave us a correction that we should go for an up move, but it tend to give us a correction here. Is what you're going to get here, guys, okay? This correction is this one. Then you're going to get a corrective structure, same like this, okay, for you to take a trade. Then next week, wait for a correction, then take a one more up move to take our roof, okay? If we go to a lower time frame, that is 1 hour, okay? To have that guidance. To have that guidance, okay? Okay. What we'll be looking for here. You'll be looking for this up move, then wait for a aggressive move, a corrective structure here on a lower time frame, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, okay? Then you're going to get a down move. This down move, it should be a corrective structure. When you trade this down move, wait for a good price action here, then manage your trade well according to your system, okay? So you'll be waiting for a corrective structure to go down for us to take one more up move, okay, guys? Hope you're going to trade well on silver for next week, guys. Our next currency pair for next it's USD ZAR. On USD ZAR, guys, we'll go start on 4 hour. On 4 hour, what we are waiting for here, guys, we are waiting for a short sell that should come after this correction, okay? Then we'll be looking for a bounce from around 16.80, okay, to 17.00. You'll be looking to bounce from there to take an up move, okay? We'll start from our low here. Okay, guys? So if you're going to trade on USD ZAR next week to start with sell, let me show you. If you go to a lower time frame, 1 hour, what to look for. You'll be looking for a break here, as we published on TradingView, okay? You'll be waiting for a correction here on lower time frame and wait for a break around this flow of ours, okay? Then wait for a correction to take a small sell, okay? This small sell, you should be careful of it because we might turn anyway after this new low, okay? We might turn, guys. We might turn after a new low. So you will be waiting for a break from this pattern here, okay? This pattern is going to give you a sell correction here, then you take a trade. Okay, guys? Hope you're going to trade well next week. Our next currency pair is Euro USD. Right. On Euro USD, guys, what we were looking for here? We were looking for a reversal from this roof, okay? We are looking for a reversal, guys. So next week, what you're going to do, you'll wait for an aggressive move on lower time frame, then wait for a correction, then take a sell here. And watch again for a break with a nice candle, correct, at your position, okay? You'll be looking for this price 1.0512, okay, for you to take profit from this sell, okay? You'll be looking for a sell opportunity for next week, okay? If Euro USD is going to give us a one more up move to come and test 112, we'll be having this kind of pattern, guys. Let me show you. Let me remove this one. We'll be having this kind of pattern, a running flag, okay? We'll be having this running flag. An impulse, 1, 2, 3. Then take one more up move, then look for sell from top, okay? If you're not going to get this sell that I'm talking about here, then watch for a break, take a trade, okay? Because you might stuck here, okay? Then we'll be having a pattern for us to take one more up move, then look for sell from top, okay? So on lower time frame, 1 hour, you'll be looking for a correction here, then take a sell, okay? Correction, take a sell. Then you'll be having a corrective structure for you to take one more up move. Okay, guys? So let me give you a guidance for you to watch for next week, okay? You'll be looking to have this kind of price action for next week. You'll be breaking and correcting here on lower time frame, take a trade. Watch our flow here for a 1, 2, then you take a trade for a up move. Okay, guys? Hope you're going to trade well on Euro USD. Our next currency pair is Pound USD. Okay? On Pound USD on 4 hour, Let's go to 4 hour. On 4 hour, let's remove this one. 4 hour will be looking for a pattern like this, guys. Okay, a bounce from here, then a continuation or an up move. Okay, then this up move, it will guide us whether we are having one more down move. Okay, so if we are going to get sales here, guys, we'll be watching for a pattern like this. Watch break here. Before you're going to sell, don't sell your breakout. Wait for a correction to confirm for us that we are going for a one more low. That one more low should be the same length of this previous impulse. Okay, so you'll be watching for a correction on this break if it's going to break our monthly RS. Okay, so get a correction, then take a trade. If not that sell, you'll be waiting for a bounce here, then take one more up move. Then we'll be completing this correction to go down. So our structure will be like this, guys. Okay, before you sell, wait for a correction here. Before you sell, wait for a correction here. Okay, so next week we're going to look for sales on pound dollar. Hope you're going to trade well on pound dollar, guys. Our next currency pair is dollar yen. On dollar yen, when we go to a 4 hour chart, we were looking for a buy move from the correction that was building. Okay, so now the correction has finished, but for next week, what you're going to do, guys, for next week, we'll be watching. We were looking, I'm showing you what we were looking for. We were looking for a up move. Okay, this up move, I'll show you. We're waiting for an up move here, a bounce, then a correction for us to come to take this roof. Okay, then from this roof we'll be looking for a down move. Right, at the moment what the price has done, it has given us 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we will ignore this buy for now. Okay, wait for a roof to be touched, then look for sales. Okay, you'll be looking to sell from roof. A correction here, then take a trade from this down move. Then after this down move, we'll be watching our floor. This floor to make us impulse. It's 1, 2, 3 for us to come again here. Then after this up move that we'll be having this 1, 2, 3. Okay, for us to move again to test 104.77. Okay, guys, so for next week what we'll be watching, this roof of ours to sell again. Okay, on lower time frame, if you stand a chance to sell, you'll be looking for a correction, a deeper correction for you to go and take this roof of ours. Then after this roof, we'll be waiting to sell. Okay? Hope you're going to trade well on dollar yen. Our next currency pair is euro. It's USD CAD. Okay? On USD CAD, guys, what we are looking for, we are looking for a price action to come and test this floor. Okay? But remember what I said last week. I said if you're going to get a one more down move, watch for a new low from here. Then we'll be watching to buy this pair. Okay? So now what we got a down move that we got. Then now are we correcting for us to go down, or are we getting to start from this price action to go up? If we're going up, we'll be waiting for a confirmation of correction here. Then we're going to take this up move again. Okay, so if we shift to a lower time frame on this pair, you'll be watching this kind of price action. We were looking to come and test this roof of ours, then we'll be looking to sell. So at the moment, the price went down and up again. Okay, so now we'll be looking for 1, 2, 3, then down again, guys, to come and test 1.3588. Okay, if you're not going to see this down move, then you'll be waiting for a aggressive move like this one to go, then going to correct, take a trade. Okay, I'm giving you two things here on dollar CAD for you to go one more low or to correct, then take a trade. Okay, because we are waiting for an up move here for the coming weeks. Okay, but you can take this down move if is it favorable to take. Okay, guys, hope you're going to trade well on dollar CAD. Our last pair to watch, guys. Okay, it's NES 100. On NES 100, guys, what we were looking for, we are looking at this pattern. Okay, we are still in this rising reversal pattern. Okay, this pattern, can we come slowly to come and take this floor, then watch for another buy on this floor. Okay, if you are going to look for a buy, wait for a price action to show you what to do for next week here. Okay, we might move slowly, then an up move again. Okay, because we are expecting to come and take 9770.4. Okay, guys, on NAS 100 USD. So from these, we are still saying do not miss the sell. The sell will come, guys, and the sell will be a sharp move. Hope you're going to get your sells from this roof of 9770.4. Okay, if you're not going to move slowly, then you'll be waiting for an up move here, then again look for sells. Okay, but the favorable for now, you'll be watching for a down move, then take one more up move to go down. Okay, so next week you will be waiting for a price action to come and take our floor, or a price action that is going to take our roof. So for next week, do not trade from this kind of price action on a current price. Wait for it to come and take our floor, or wait for it to come and take our roof, okay? So that you can take your sales there. Okay, guys? Hope you're going to trade well on NAS 100. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and leave those comments below so that you can tell us what you think about our channel. We are still new on this channel. Hope you're going to trade well, guys. Hope you're going to enjoy well in our family. We welcome you, those who are new and those who are going to be our subscribers on R.D.T Traders on TradingView. We also have a link on Twitter that we are posting our videos there. We post our video in LinkedIn. We are posting our video on YouTube. We are posting our videos on Facebook. Okay, guys? So we are having those platforms for you to watch for R.D.T Traders and follow our family. Okay? Hope you are going to trade well next week on 1st to 5. Okay? June 2020. Take care, guys. Remember, trade with care, trade with discipline. All will follow. Okay, guys? Thank you, guys.